So this is the news that is coming in. Lots of MK members are celebrating. This is after the NFP released a statement to the media where they shown, that they are no longer supporting the current government of provincial unity in KZN under Tamin Duli. So the NFP is not happy and they've withdrawn their support there. So as you can see here, they are saying at the bottom there, it is on this basis, that the National Freedom Party has lost confidence in the Premier of KwaZulu-Natal. But it didn't just end there. The NFP has gone further, to say that we've noted the ongoing political discussions, amongst other parties in KZN and the overwhelming support expressed for MK in the recent provincial elections. So they strongly believe that MK is the party to take over KZN. So at the moment, this is how things stand currently in KZN. So this is the government of coalition at the moment. You have IFP, ANC, and DA. Those are their seats breakdown. And the total number of seats that they have that is making them to govern KZN, they're 41. And the opposition there, as you can see, there is MK and EFF, total 39. So it's 41 versus 39. So what is happening at the moment is that NFP has gone on the opposition side. So let's adjust the table and see how things stand at the moment. So you now have ANC, DA, and IFP, total seats 40. MK, NFP, EFF, total 40, if we adjust these seats. So if MK is to govern KZN, they would need support from the EFF. NFP has already given them support, so they would need to squash that beef and put it aside. But not only that, it's not going to be enough. They would need, one member from ANC, to maybe rebel and vote in their favor. So in KZN, there maybe the ANC may agree, but we all know that at national level, the ANC is not going to agree with supporting the MK. So you can see one thing here, and it is that MK needs ANC more than ANC needs MK. So looking at probability chance of ruling KZN for MK, at the moment it's a massive stalemate, it's a draw. I don't think they're going to rule KZN, but what they simply need to do, MK, is to garner more seats, maybe push up even more again. I know it's a stretch, from the massive 37 that they got. They need to push further and get into 39 or 40, or maybe even get 41 for themselves. I'll catch you guys on the next one.